What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Sneakers and Trims, and we're in the crib again with an unboxing video. Yesterday I took a little trip to East London, Shoreditch, and I walked past Sneakers and stuff and found some gems in there. You get me? Found some gems in the Sneakers and Stuff store, so big up Sneakers and Stuff. If you don't know where they are, they're on Shoreditch High Street. So yeah, what did I manage to cop? Some SB Dunks. My first pair of SBs, to be fair, you know what I'm saying? I don't have no SBs. I've got a pair of Dunks. These are my only other Dunks. The fragments, but they're not SB. So yeah, what's in the box? Who wants to take a wild guess? Just take a wild guess. Throw it in the comments real quick before you even see what's in the box. You know what I'm saying? So yes, people, in the box today, we have this paper right here. Yeah, no? Almost reminds me of the Toro Bravo box. So yes, people, we've got the TV signals, the SB Dunk highs. Right, I'm gonna put this box down quickly. Banging pair, absolutely banging pair. You get me? I love the theme. I love the colorway. Colorway's banging. It's got loads of colors on it. That's what I love. I love colors. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about the colors. That's what I'm all about. Yeah. So yeah, man, I love these Dunks because they've got a bit of detail to them. The inner sole has some detail to it. It's got the little Zoom Air in there. Don't know if you can see that, Zoom Air. And it's got the sort of numbers like from the camcorder and all that. Yeah, man, big shoe, big shoe. Obviously, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it sort of changes with when you rotate it. So if you look closely, you can see it changes when you rotate it, which is pretty dope feature. You know what I'm saying? I love when Nike goes the extra mile. The tongue feels really spongy. In fact, I'd say it's a little bit more spongy than the average Dunk, and the laces are bare spongy, like, you know what I mean? They're not thin laces, they're quite thick. So yeah, so like I said, I love these SBs. I love the colors on it. I love the theme behind it. I managed to cop them for retail, obviously. Also, it comes with a spare pair of laces. It comes with these beautiful red laces. You can see the effect that you could get. These are a nice pair, man, to be fair. Yeah, they're a very nice pair. I must say I love when Nike gives you an extra pair of laces, like different colours. It gives you like something to do with the sneaker, you know what I mean? So you're not just left with the sneaker and that's it, like I have to go and buy laces. Like, it actually gives you more for your money. So yeah, man, big up these laces here, man. I think they'll look sick. Obviously it matches the colours on the sneakers as well. Comes in the purple box. These was released in 2020. Yep, 2020. Late 2020, in fact. Do you know what I mean? December. So yeah, this was a Christmas drop. This was a Christmas drop. Who managed to cop these on retail? And if you copped on resale value, how much did you pay? Let me know in the comments how much you paid for these. If you paid on StockX or whatever. Oh, my thumb got a little injury. They're not going for that much more on StockX. So yeah, man. Big up the SB Dunk Highs, you feel me? Dunk High Pro, in fact. Oh, should we see what else? Should we see what else I managed to cop? Let's see what else I managed to cop. I'm gonna put these here. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not even editing that out the video. Put that there so you can see them. Yeah, man. Oh, forgot to put the laces in there. What else did I cop from SNS? This is the question. So, I managed to cop this massive jersey here. You know what I mean? Toon Squad. the LeBron Space Jam jersey. Love the details on it. You got the LeBron right there. Let me just show you properly. Toon Squad, Strive for Greatness, King James, by Nike. Yeah, man. Retails at 89. I've seen some of these going for like 170, 200 on eBay. So yeah, I was happy to be able to grab this for retail. It's got the number 6 on the back. This is gonna be, you know what I mean? This is like history right here. Space Jam 2, you know what I'm saying? So I'm glad to have got this because I don't have the Space Jam 1, the Michael Jordan one, and that goes for about $350 on StockX and stuff like that. So yes, people, remember, Forcefield Fresh. Go to www.forcefieldfresh.co.uk. Go on there and use my discount code Sneakers and Trims UK, which is all in lowercase letters. That gives you a massive 10% discount off all Forcefield products. Yeah, so the website is live at the moment, so you can go on there today. Big up yourself, people. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, share this video, you know what I mean? Tell all your people, share it, do everything you can. Love people, yeah? Sneakers and Trims. And thanks for watching.